Hello everyone and welcome to opening night of this year's holiday Nights of Lights, first ever year of the Walk Thru edition. This is a continuation or sort of a revamp of last year's sold out holiday Nights of Lights drive-thru, but this year with the COVID restrictions they were actually allowed to make it an entire walk-through event, which I am standing right outside of the entrance right now. This year there are actually a ton of fair rides and sort of little amusement attractions at the end of the walkthrough, and I believe there's a bunch of vendors and other cool things like that, so I'm super excited to check it out. Let's head in, check out the million lights behind me, and see if this experience is really worth it for you to come out here and check it out in Vaughan, Ontario. Biggest recommendation for visiting Nights of Light so far is that I am really freezing right now, so make sure that when you come here you are dressing properly because this event is fully outside as you did anticipate when coming here, so just make sure you're dressed properly, please, please, please. It looks like this event is structured in different zones as you walk through. So the first zone was just a bunch of lights pretty much on the ground, and the second zone is looking absolutely stunning with a ton of giant light structures. Just look at these things, they're crazy. Tickets for the actual Nights of Lights walkthrough event must be bought online and in advance. When you're online, you do need to pick your day and the actual 15-minute time slot interval that you want to enter the event. Tickets are $19.99 for anyone 13 plus and $12.99 for anyone 12 and under. Children under 1 are free. But don't get this confused with tickets for the actual rides and attractions which follow the walk. Those are priced individually per ride, so stay tuned to find out more about those later in the video. Another cool thing about this event is that since it's 100% outside, you do not need to wear your mask, and it's also a note on their website that you do not need proof of vaccination to enter here, so just keep those both in note as you come to this event, that you, 1, don't need to wear a mask, and 2, do not need to be vaccinated. We're walking along the trail and I found this little what originally looked like a hot chocolate station, but as I checked out the menu, it looked like it's more geared towards the adults. Like they had things like spiked hot chocolate, vodkas, Red Bulls, which is interesting, and it didn't even look like they had a regular hot chocolate on the menu, but I'm sure that they may be able to accommodate for you there if you do have kids and you just want a hot chocolate. I think we have entered the next section of the walkthrough because we have entered this area with a ton of crazy light tunnels. This is sort of the classic one from last year's Nights of Lights, but there are so many around here and these are so amazing. Definitely the best spot to take pictures here at Nights of Lights. This is crazy. This is just absolutely amazing. I can really tell that there are actually over 1 million different lights here. Craziness. Look how stunning these trees are. They have them down this entire row. They are so beautiful. All different colors, pink, purple, green, blue. This whole entire section of the walkthrough is madness. Okay, ready? Look how big this thing actually is for comparison to me again. The coolest part of this event is that since it's a walkthrough event, compared to the drive-through events we've been seeing in Ontario the past year, you are actually at 100% your own pace, meaning you can stop, slow down, take pictures, do pretty much whatever you want throughout the trail. When you're on the drive-through events, people are always waving or honking at you, yo, move forward, or waving with a flag, but here you are 100% at your own pace and you're actually very much encouraged to stop and take pictures everywhere you go. I've probably spent the last literally 10 minutes just in this one light tunnel taking pictures and videos because it's so incredible. Like, you definitely will spend a lot of your visit at Nights of Lights in this light tunnel just because it is so incredible. This reminds me of the giant movie theater area at Ontario Place. There's actually a disco ball at the top, and these are a ton of larger than life. Looks like a marshmallow, candy hearts. I forgot what this thing's called, but you guys probably know. This is crazy. So many amazing picture spots here. Just incredible to see. And right as I thought the light tunnels were over, I was proven wrong once again, and this one is just even more stunning, beautiful, huge. My favorite part about this being a walk-through event over a drive-through event is it just feels so much more immersive as we're actually seeing how big these things really are when we're standing on the ground and not suspended in a car. It is so cool. You guys definitely got to check this one out. It is so different than Nights of Lights last year as a drive-through event. We just exited the actual Nights of Lights part, and I'm pretty sure that that is what our tickets included. And now we're headed towards the actual carnival fair section. As you can see, there are a ton of lights around here, so let's see what's going on in the carnival section of the park. The first thing that you see once you head out of Nights of Lights and into the fair area is this huge stretch of 75 independent small businesses at these little vendor booths, and they're selling all different things from food to jewelry to even these weird basketball and plant things, and they're actually really cool. And so this is a cool thing you can check out and see a ton of little things and support a small business once you head out of Nights of Lights. There are a ton of kids attractions here, everything from a mini train to a carousel to a merry-go-round, and all of this is 100% an upcharge attraction, so you're gonna need to buy independent tickets for each thing you wanna go on here, and none of it is actually included in your Nights of Lights walkthrough. So you can go to your Nights of Lights walkthrough, and if you'd like, you can continue on to this fair section and actually ride the rides. One ticket is $5, 4 tickets is $18, and you can get up to 8 tickets for only $32. And each ticket is going to determine one ride on an attraction, whether you're a kid or an adult. So the amount of tickets you get will determine the amount of rides you can get. And please note, they only do take cash and debit here. No credit cards are accepted. Oh my god, guys, I just found a real life Bob's Burgers. Justin, if you're watching this video, this is a shout out to you for that. Once you get to the back of the fair section, they actually have a ton of food trucks here. Everything from Tiny Tom's Donuts, Poutine, Beaver Tails, and Bob's Burgers, as I just showed you guys. Even the fried chicken sandwiches with some nice picnic tables to come out and eat all your food. If you're a bit chilly after your huge walk, or you actually just got some food and want to chill out, you can come over here to the Fireside Lounge and warm up at this bonfire, sit in a cozy camp chair, and just warm up. And oh, it actually looks like you can take some selfies with Santa over there, so let's go check that out as well. Pictures with Santa can be taken right here beside the giant Christmas tree in the middle of the fair area after Nights of Lights, and they are free, but they recommend you give a $10 donation to Epilepsy Canada, and they have a little box there. And it is good to note that a portion of the proceeds from the actual Nights of Lights tickets will be donated to Epilepsy Canada, so that is a great cause and something cool that when you're coming out, you know you're also helping a good cause. And with the million lights behind me, going in I didn't think there'd be a million, but now trust me guys, I believe the advertising, there is a million lights here. That's going to be a wrap on my first ever trip to Holiday Nights of Lights Walkthrough Edition plus the fair behind. It was truly incredible, and you guys got to check it out here in Vaughan, Ontario while it runs until January 2nd of 2022. Thank you to Nights of Lights for providing me tickets to come out, and if you guys want to help finance my gas costs to come here, click the like button so that more people can see this video, and AdSense will actually give me something. So thank you guys once again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with someone you think will like to go to Nights of Lights. Click right here to view my full playlist on all my favorite GTA and Toronto attractions, and click right here to subscribe for all the best things to do in the city. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays.